DentaMetrix is the next generation of dental practice analytics software to help you discover revenue opportunities. It uses artificial intelligence to create virtual treatment plans and to make up for other areas where you don't fully use all parts of your practice management software. It has 2 interrelated modules to let you choose what works best for your practice, so you only pay for what you eat. The monthly Excel module gives you robust KPI trend data, including a PPO Analyzer Wizard, tracks net patients gained and lost, and identifies over 30 profit leaks. This is a popular module for practice transition analysis, too. The WebDM Online module is updated every 15 minutes and is available on smartphones, too. This part of the dental practice analytics software looks to the future and includes a Smart Daily Huddle and individual daily action dashboards for each provider. The huddle shows 12 alerts for each patient, including outstanding treatment, delinquent recare, etc. Get this comprehensive dental practice analytics software to transform your solo, DSO, or group practice today. Visit us at DentaMetrix.com.